In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a professional designer or someone just getting started with Photoshop, learning how to effectively open a PDF document can vastly improve your workflow. Let's dive into the process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be comfortable opening and working with PDFs in Photoshop. First, you need to launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure that you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. Adobe frequently updates its software to include new features and better functionality, so keeping your program up to date is essential. Once Adobe Photoshop is open, you'll need to navigate to the File menu located at the top left of the window. Clicking on File should bring up a drop-down menu with numerous options. Look for Open and select it. This will prompt a File Explorer window to appear, allowing you to browse your computer's directories. Now, it's time to locate the PDF file you wish to open. Find the directory where your file is stored. It usually helps to have your PDFs organized maybe in a folder dedicated to your projects or by specific categories based on your needs. Once you've located your PDF, simply click on it and then press the Open button. At this point, Photoshop will present you with an Import PDF dialog box. This is where you will specify exactly how you want to open the PDF. Unlike other file types, PDFs can contain multiple pages or image layers. Within the dialog box, you can choose whether you want to open pages as images or use Photoshop's built-in text recognition to open them as editable layers. Select Pages if you wish to choose specific pages to open, and check the Images option if you are focused on graphical content. Once you've made your selections, take a moment to review the resolution settings. This aspect is pivotal if you plan to edit and print your work, as it determines the clarity and size of your document. A typical resolution for printed materials is around 300 pixels per inch, while 72 pixels per inch might suffice for digital content. After setting your preferences, confirm your choices by clicking OK in the dialog box. Photoshop will then import your chosen pages or images for editing. You might have to wait a few seconds depending on the size and complexity of the PDF. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a PDF in Photoshop. By following these steps, you can start editing and taking advantage of Photoshop's vast array of tools to enhance your document. Remember, practice makes perfect, and as you familiarize yourself with this process, it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy Photoshopping!